I gave you my heart.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video, and for today's video I'll be doing a Bloxburg house tour video. And before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let's start. So now I'll be starting with my mail and my trash. They're pretty great. They're the most expensive one. I bought the most expensive mail and the most expensive trash, and also there's a panel over here. The speed limit, I put some speed limit if people drive, and I also put a light for the cars when they're driving. I also put a stop sign and a lamp, a light lamp, so that when cars drive, you won't make accidents. So now I had this a long time ago. When 2020 started, the Bloxburg added this thing, so now I still have it. It's a light fuzz, whatever they call. It's to celebrate 2020 since it started, but I still haven't. I still use it sometimes, like right now. Look. Wait. Pooh, bye. And also I have this. It's from I put the Canada. Since I'm Canadian, I put this one. I put this to show how it's good. I'm really happy to be Canadian. So yeah, if you don't know, yeah, I am Canadian. Okay, now time to go check my garage. So now in my garage, I have my car with my bicycle. I have my big lamp, my big flower garden, but it's not really a garden, but whatever. I have a light switcher, and I have the big one. This one is for all the house. If I turn it on, off, it turns all the home off. But if I turn it on, all the home is on. So now let's go home and check. So this is my living room. There's a paint, a TV, 2 chairs, a picture I put in the wall, a plant over here, and some small plants. Well, the table TV has books, a small TV over here. I said welcome. I wrote welcome, newspapers, and remote. And also there's a charger. Well, not a charger, but it's where you plug your charger. I put one over here. So now I put some photos, a Fortnite photo, a Roblox photo, and a soccer photo, and also put a plug over here. This is my kitchen. And oh, well, Christmas has passed. I forgot to remove this. I'll remove it. There's my microwave, my toast, my stuff so that I can clean my hands with. There's some stuff over here. Also where I can clean my hands. Cups. Also my fridge, which is over here. My microwave, where I prepare some food, and also my window. Sorry with my English, I'm still having sometimes a hard time with English though. This is the light switcher. Oh, my AC is so up there. I have an AC. Let's open the door. This is my bathroom. This is for my hair, my face. This is to brush my teeth, and this is when I have to poop or pee. This is when my toilet is blocked, so I use this. When I'm finished washing, I use this to clean myself. And also this is where I can brush my teeth or wash my hands. or maybe my face. Now my favorite part, my room. So in my room, I have some books, a bed for sure. Where will I sleep? Well, from my little a picture, a gaming picture, a star, clothes. I have a lamp, a plant. I have a trash can. I have a toy, another plant, and the part I was waiting for. There's my clock, another picture, but this one is Roblox. My chair, my PC, my computer, my favorite thing, and where I can work and play games, and my alarm, a cup, my work and my hair. This is for my hair. I have a lamp, crayons, another picture of gaming, some books, and another crayon. So now let's go outside. Well, outside I'm not done. I'm building my outside, and I'm planning to build over here a big place where I can put a swimming pool, a soccer place where I can play lots of fun stuff. So now guys, this will be the end of the video of showing you my house tour. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.